casual little high-speed chase.
Down.
Fast and Furious style. And I'll let you know when you need the glasses. You don't need them just yet.
This is Agent Novak with an FBI alert about individuals who are not authorized to be involved in the witness protection operation I'm heading up with my FBI team. Be on alert for Dominic Toretto, an ex-convict who has broken laws throughout the U.S. and around the world. Despite his checkered past, Toretto and his crew were recruited by Agent Luke Hobbs to assist U.S. diplomatic security missions and was granted a pardon for the crimes he committed.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
All right, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay. Meet you.
And you still don't need the glasses. We got some moving magic to your right. It's also a dance party, so you know, do your seated dance moves if you feel inclined.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Shaw tricks us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Alright, it is time to make it easy.
I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Open it up. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Toretto, we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the clothes!
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. traction! Everybody hold on! Hit the nitrous!
What happened to Major?
Ride and die!
That is officially the world's largest stadium experience. That is basically Supercharged.
All the job, everybody. You protected the witness and you can resume breathing.
You know what's crazy out there? You guys
You know, my Mona Lisa got messed up a little.
They're trying to kill one witness.
It's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
Now they've made 100 other.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good at that. And you're welcome to join our crew.
Just like that, we're gonna get you back in that.
Why would you create 100
So
more
you enjoy the rest of your day.
witnesses just to try to kill
We're
one?
open till 9 o'clock tonight.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.